सो फाटल्या कांय दिसांनी आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की एका जाग्यार एट वन प्लेस there is a unit which is operating under unhygienic conditions, and today we tracked it down at Gausawado, and we found that there were a lot of violations. So we have asked these unit to shut down operations. Similarly, we have seen other two units also. There one unit in Moira which was a pretty good condition, so we appreciated that they were following all the norms. And we have tracked down the retail outlet, which is a very well known place here in Mapsa, and unfortunately they were operating without the FDA license, so we have fined them 10,000 rupees, and we've also drawn samples. खूबच अशें म्हणजे नॉन कंप्लायन्सीस असलेले इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल डेफिशियन्सीज असलेले. देर वॉज नो सॅनिटरी कार्ड्स ऑफ दी फूड हँडलर्स, आणि भरपूर अनहायजिनीक कंडिशन नासलेल्या कारणान आमी तांकां बंद करपाक लायला.
शॉपार तुम्ही पळयलें जाल्यार शॉपान पॅकींग डेट वगैरे कशें कितें?
या शॉपान जे प्रोडक्ट्स असलेले ताजेरूय कांय लेबल्स नासले. देवर नो लेबल्स ऑन द पॅकेट्स. सो वीव ट्रायड टू ट्रॅक डावन. वीव गॉट टू नो दॅट द मॅन्युफॅक्चरर is from other states and is supplying into Goa. So now our aim will be to establish who are these suppliers.